Cue ball. Yeah. Scatter. These haters love to talk. Ain't no jump.
Hi guys, I'm Zazi, and today I'm going to be doing a review on these Air Jordan 11s. And I got these shoes from Offkick. I'm going to go ahead and leave link to the information in the description. I'm also going to pin in the comment section as well. Let's go ahead and get straight into the review. So this year's box is different. Like, you open it up from the side, pops open like this, then it's like that. Here's the size information. It says black, multicolor, noir. Size 11. Then on the paper, it says 1995 to 2020 because the first pair of 11s came out in 1995, and it's like the pseudo anniversary. Take the shoe tree out. And so for the shoe, it has the Jumpman logo and it says 23 on the inside. On the back of the shoe, it says 23. Then it has the Jumpman logo and this 3D metallic material. And they reflect, or not reflect, they're on opposite sides. So they're on the medial side. And then one of the other big features of the shoe is that it says Jordan on the eyelets. So it's Jordan on both sides. Do you see Jordan? It's kind of funny. It's on this side it says Jordan going up, and then on the other side it says Jordan going down. So it's pretty cool. Then the soles, they're this milky color. It's like a smoky gray, kind of milky white, depending on how you want to look at it. Then this part is gray. You have the carbon fiber right here. Of course, as usual, you have this side. If you read it sideways, it says Jumpman Jordan. Then what else? Regular black aglets. No metal aglets this time. Honestly, this shoe is really nice. I don't know what this is, like a little... But yeah, the shoe looks really good. The quality is looking solid. Got the patent leather, the mesh, the rope laces. And these fit true to size. So, in case those of you that are wondering, go ahead and give you an aerial look. Give you a quick 360. I'm really liking the quality. This colorway is very similar to the Space Jams, with the exception that there's no blue, and this part, instead of it being like stitched on, it's like the 3D metallic Jumpman logo, and has the Jordan on the side of the eyelets right here. Then the box is also different. It doesn't have like that traditional special pull-out box. So basically, what is it? 1995, 2005, 2015. So what? It's like its 30th anniversary. 35th anniversary. Yeah, 35th anniversary. So 1995 to to 2005, 2005 to 2015. Actually, is it 35th? Right now, I can't do math right now. I'm tripping. Okay, yeah, so it's the 25th anniversary. I don't know why I was being so bad at math for a second. I'm just tired. That's all it is. But yeah, quality-wise, it's pretty cool. And like right here, it's not printed on. It's actually like I wouldn't say it's like a thicker material than usual. It's like a ironed on 23. It's not stitched on. Very nice quality. Yeah, go ahead, look at the soles. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and leave all the information in the description below. I'm also going to pin the comments. I'm going to put their email for the contact and their IG name and their WhatsApp number, so you can go ahead and contact them. And on the next part of it, I'm going to show you guys how to do like with different pairs of pants. So that way you guys can see how you want to style them. And then on to the next part of the video, and I'm out. Peace.
Cue ball. Yeah. Scatter. These haters love to talk. Ain't no jump. You can knock it off. I ain't finna stop ballin'. Switch, saucin'. These haters on me holding all these grudges. I'm round the world fulfilling my calling. They on my status cause I'm up and poppin'. Ballin', saucin'. These haters on me holding all these grudges. I'm round the world fulfilling my calling. They on my status cause I'm up and poppin'. Stop it, God with me, I know. Every step I take, I grow. Life without him, I struggle. Every move I made, I stumble. Raised in the hood, real gutter. I was down, but now I'm up. I'm on a new route now, going up and never going down. Jesus on my side, no doubt. I was lost, but now I'm found. For all you people pointing at me fingers, cause I turned my life around. I thank God for everything I went through in this life. Even the hardest situations and my darkest nights, I felt this world throwing punches, but I knew how to fight. You smoke L's, I take W's, my team winning right. I see these haters running lip, they tryna see me die. I'm talking, they said I'll never make it nowhere, don't believe I'm up here. So what's the real reason why you got issues with me? Is it in our past, do you even really know me? See, I won't ever know until you tell me something. All I know is I forgive you when I've been ballin'. Saucin'. These haters on me holding all these grudges. I'm round the world fulfilling my calling. They on my status cause I'm up and poppin'. Stop it, ballin'. Saucin'. These haters on me holding all these grudges. How you feel? I'm round the world fulfilling my calling. They on my status cause I'm up and poppin'. All white on me, cause I'm froze. My name is Cubo if you ain't already know. Oh my Lord, I gotta represent some more. All them demons, they be lurking, tryna take all with my soul. You can't have it, tryna buy me, but I'm already sold. Yeah. Sold my soul to the Lord of the Lords. Yes, I did. Covered in his blood, yeah, you know I'm fully clothed. So I ain't worried if they pull up with that drum. Ooh, I was a drummer too, banging on them too, on the block. They was rockin' red, I was rockin' blue. All the locals too, back then, but God changed me too. I was a fool, I didn't know what to do, but God made me new. He could do it to you too. Still the same person, yeah. Definitely. out driving wild. When it come to my way, I can't tell you my secrets. Wanna do it my way, then just study my language. I want for y'all to understand where I came from, grieving. And I've been watching everything I witnessed the seasons. Respect my name, respect my face, what I attain. I was born for this, but more than working, I don't play. Respect the struggle and my pain, respect the change. I became better, but I'm still the same. Interpret my words correctly and understand. You could elevate, but who you are will never change. You still you at the end of the day, and that's gon' follow you way beyond the grave. Tell me where were you at when I was fighting them demons? Slug on me at our time in the streets, I was beefing. Police locked me up for carrying and concealing, and I was in the self-fulfilling, these barely eating. Having dreams that I was free, I ain't realize I was sleeping. Living nightmares when I woke up, facing time I was tweaking. I know people talk down on me instead of praying for my spirit, but no weapon formed against me finna prosper on Jesus. Had the Bible on me daily, I ain't know I was reading. Call yourselves believers, but be acting like heathens. I thank God for darker nights, you see who's shining and gleaming. I never lost my light, I kept shining and reaching. When it come to my way, I can't tell you my secrets. Wanna do it my way, then just study my language. I want for y'all to understand where I came from, grieving. And I've been watching everything I witnessed the seasons. Respect my name, respect my face, what I attain. I was born for this, but more than working, I don't play. Respect the struggle and my pain, respect the change. I became better, but I'm still the same. Interpret my words correctly and understand. You could elevate, but who you are will never change. You still you at the end of the day, and that's gon' follow you